Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin, and if you hear any background noise, that's my brother, because everyone on the planet decided that the second I was going to start recording, they were going to make food.
You want food?
No, I already ate.
Okay.
Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be learning how to crochet. Well, not learn how to crochet, because I know how to. I learned how to crochet pretty young, like when I was like 11, 12-ish, but all I knew how to make was like squares, and then I picked it up again recently. So today, I'm gonna try to learn how to make actual things. I've only ever really crocheted two things, and that was like recently. The first thing I crocheted was this little drawstring pouch. It looks like this, and then it has a little drawstring. Second thing was this, I made a triangle. I made a bandana. I made it literally because I was bored. I don't wear bandanas. I don't think I'm ever going to wear this bandana, but I wanted to make something and I was bored, so here we are. I don't even know how to wear it. Does it go under your hair? I don't think it's supposed to look like that. This is why I don't wear bandanas. But basically for this video, I want to make three things. Those things being easy, more intermediate, and then hard. The easy thing, I want it to be just simple and quick, something that can like warm me up. The second thing, I want it to be something that I can actually use day to day. And then the difficult thing that I want to make is something that I can maybe wear. So whether it be, a tank top, a sweater. The first thing I'm going to be making is a coin bag. I was looking up tutorials, and a lot of the coin bags are pretty easy. They're kind of similar to the little pouch I made, except a little bit easier. So I think I can do this, and I think I can do it really fast.
Slip knot. The first thing you need to do is
slip knot
around your hand in an X shape. Now you're going to take the loop off of your hand, and you're going to grab the end strand of yarn and hold it through the loop. Then you're going to grab both strands of your yarn and pull on the loop. This will create these.
Finished with my little coin purse. Look how cute it is. The next thing is the thing that I'm the most excited to make. I came across this TikTok, and I absolutely fell in love with all the designs, and I really liked the banana one, and I could not for the life of me find a tutorial on how to do it. I looked on YouTube, I looked on Google, and I could not find it. And finally, after hours of searching, TikTok came through. I found a girl on TikTok. She had her own tutorial. We're gonna pull up that TikTok and we're gonna make a banana holder. She references another tutorial on YouTube to follow that for the main body part of it. She said I'm supposed to have 24 and I have 26. Does it matter? Will it just be a little bit bigger? Does this look like it's gonna fit that? Because it's already built. It's supposed to already be going up. Like, should I just go back and just make it bigger? Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Well, I mean, you've been here. Welcome to my update. I made the progress that I made on my first night, and the next day I worked on it and got a little bit farther, and then I ran out of yarn. I actually managed to find a yarn that was like the same color, the same texture, and you can't really tell the difference. I mean, I can kind of tell the difference because like I picked it out, but for the most part, I think it looks really good. And this is how far I went. Woo! This is what it looks like so far. And so now I have to make the peels.
Crochet, and I repeated it as well.
Okay, I think I got it. But if you do this, make sure your number of stitches are divisible by 3, or else you can't make 3 banana peels, unless you want 2 banana peels or something. I don't know. Because I have 27 or 26. I don't know. But I'm gonna act like I have 27. I did 9. So I guess I just have to keep doing that and then decrease for however long I want the peel to be. If you want to learn how to make this stuff, because I'm doing a really bad job explaining, but I'm gonna leave everything linked in the thing below if I didn't say that already. I'm wearing different clothes, but I swear this is the same day. Yeah, I was doing this and I was like, it looks kind of stupid, but I had faith and I trusted the process and I finished my first peel. I'm realizing it does look kind of stupid. Oh my god, wait, it looks so cute so far. I'm so excited. Hello, I'm unfortunately at Tyler's house.
What is that?
Nothing. I finished my peels, which I thought were too long, and then I looked at the freaking video again, and then hers were like all the way down to the bottom. So now I'm insecure about how mine looks, but Jocelyn told me it looks okay. So I got this new color. It's like a creamy off-whitish color, and I'm gonna use it to go over this again, I guess. Basically make like the inside of the banana peel. I have to make 3 triangles to match, and then I gotta put them on top. So let's do it. A foot of yarn. Tyler, do you have a ruler?
Nope. Just use your foot as reference.
Tyler was literally doing that. Bro, what? Just finished my first little triangle. So this is what it would look like. I did it! I attached them all. It looks like a banana. Now, I just need to make my strap. And I've seen other people add straps to this, and they all do brown for like the top of the banana. But for me, I want to do green because it's the vine that the banana grew off of. I've never made a strap for anything before, so my person who taught me how to make a strap is Jocelyn, and she showed me how to do it in like 5 seconds. So if I'm not good at it, it's Jocelyn's fault. The heck? I'm gonna make my strap, and then I'm gonna finish it, and then I'll show you guys the finished product.
With the rise of Y2K, we're going to be seeing a major increase in funky prints and patterns over the next few years. So let's go through some of them. Camouflage.
Oh no, camouflage. Hello, I am back. My hair is short now, and holiday season is rolling around the corner, even though I started filming this in like August. Before I get into my new thing, I want to show you guys my banana holder. I finished it and I thought it was gonna look stupid, but it doesn't. I love it, and to be completely honest, I haven't used it yet because I still have to, like, I attached the strap, but I have, like, there's still this little flappy. I have to attach this. I did it, and I'm proud. Now I have the confidence to make my next piece. So I originally wanted to make a cardigan, but I only had 2 balls of yarn, and something was telling me that I was not gonna have enough, even though this might be enough. Also, I think a cardigan might be a little bit complex because I've never made any kind of article of clothing. So even though it's November now, I'm gonna make a tank top. It's okay because it was 80 degrees today, so apparently I still need tank tops. I found a tutorial on TikTok again, and it's basically like a square tank top, so it's just like a square with 2 straps. Let's begin. My tutorial that I found said to do a slip knot, and then she said to chain 60. She said a 60 is like a size small. I chained 60. I also put it around like my waist and like up here to make sure that it's like gonna fit. Basically, you're just gonna flip your work, do single crochets all the way across, chain 1, flip your work, single crochets all the way across, etc., etc. Also, you're supposed to keep track of how many rows you do because you have to make 2 of the exact same panels for the front and the back. Boop. I have my 2 panels, so the panels should be exactly the same. Now you gotta do is you're gonna sew the panels together. So to put the 2 ends together, you gotta line them up. To sew them together, you're gonna use what I believe is called a slip stitch. You go in, you wrap around once, pull all the way through, and that's it. Now we gotta do the straps. All we have to do is mark where we want our straps to be. Am I yelling? Hello? So we're gonna put 4 bobby pins, boom, 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 and that's where we're gonna start our straps. Start at the first bobby pin. I think she said once you put it through to tie a knot, because that's how she adds it. I've never seen that before, so I thought that was very interesting that she did that. And then she chains 1, then she puts it in the same hole, and then she goes all the way to the next bobby pin. Yeah, that's the first row of the strap. Then you chain 1, flip your work, and then you go back. After you do 2 rows, I think that's where you decrease, and then you decrease as many times as you want, depending on how thick you want your strap. So I think she decreases to like 4 or 5, and then yeah, and then you just keep going until your straps are as long as you want them to be. Hopefully that made sense. because it barely made sense to me. Ta-da! So this is the final product. It actually came out a lot better than I thought it was going to, and I don't hate how I look in it as much as I thought I would, because I'm not a big fan of my arms or my side, the way I look from the side. The only thing is I made the straps a little bit too long. I think I was scared of making them too short, so they ended up just being really long. Also, I might go around the edges just so it has like a cleaner finish. That is it for today, guys. I now officially feel like confident that I can make whatever I want. I think that's a lie. I hope that this video made you want to crochet, because crocheting's fun. I cannot wait for my next crochet project. Like, subscribe, and give me suggestions of what I should make next. Peace. No, it's over at the top.
Why does it spin?
Because you're not holding it.
What do you mean? Yes, I am. So look.
Okay, well, see, now it's not spinning because you're holding it. And now you can hold. Okay. That's cheating, by the way.
This is a stupid hobby.
It just means you're not good at it.